Kain na tayo. Masarap ang kanin. Let us eat. Rice is delicious. Eating rice is enjoyable to the Filipinos in the Philippines, and I grew up eating rice with different delicious food, and the recipes of exquisite foods of Philippines are now in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this is my beloved mom, a very beautiful young wife and chef and mother. Dad is in the United States during this time, working to support as a stenographer in the United States and Pan Am Airways, the airport, to support us all their children, 8 of them, to the university. And thanks be to God, and God bless our parents for taking care of us as we graduate in our degrees. God bless our parents. Thanks, Mom. This is my tribute to my beloved mother, to write a cookbook. Yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, and all Mom's secret recipes are now contained in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. Oh, the joy of cooking and eating rice. Happy cooking and dining.